Hello friends, मी बाळासाहेब निवडिंगे. First welcome in the online test of अहमदनगर जिल्हा मराठा विद्याप्रसारक समाज अहमदनगर. In 10th standard mathematics paper second, third chapter circle. We know that in this chapter we have studied tangent of a circle and its properties. In the previous lecture we have studied touching circles and property of touching circles. When two circles touch each other, then their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. Now today we are going to study some revision part of arc of a circle, which is already studied in the 8th and 9th standard. So in the arc of a circle, types of circle, measures of circle, central angle, how to take sum of arcs of measurement of two arcs. So consider the first arc of a circle. Consider the circle with center O, and in the plane of a circle consider the line AB, that is the secant AB. See here, a secant divides this circle into two parts. Each part of the circle together with the points common to the circle and chord is an arc. In figure, due to the secant AB, circle is divided into two parts, AQB and APB. Both these parts are called an arc of a circle. The points of intersection of circle and secant are called endpoints. A and B are called endpoints of the arc AQB and arc APB. The center side arc is called a major arc and the non-center side arc is called a minor arc. See here, arc APB is the center side arc, so it is called major arc. And arc AQB is the non-center side arc, so it is called minor arc. In figure, arc AQB corresponding to the chord AB is a minor arc and arc APB is a major arc. So see here, AQB is the minor arc and arc APB is the major arc. So, due to the secant circle divided into two parts, both parts are called arc. One is a minor arc and other is a major arc. Now, consider the second type of arc, that is called semicircular arc. Consider the circle with center O. If secant AB passes through the center of the circle, if secant passes through the center of the circle, then each arc so formed is called a semicircle or semicircular arc. In figure, arc APB and arc AQB, see, arc APB and arc AQB are both semicircular arcs. Then next, Definition of a central angle. Now consider the circle with center O. In the plane of a circle, consider the angle whose vertex lies on the center of the circle. So when the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, then it is called a central angle. In figure, O is the center of a circle and angle AOB, this angle AOB is a central angle. Like secant, a central angle also divides circle into two parts. See here, central angle AOB divides a circle into two parts. One part is arc APB and other part is arc AQB. Out of these two arcs, arc which is in the interior of central angle is called a minor arc, and arc which is in the exterior of a central angle is major arc. केंद्रीय कोनाच्या अंतर्भागातल्या कंसाला मायनर आर्क लघुकंस आणि केंद्रीय कोनाच्या सेंट्रल अँगलच्या बाह्य भागातील कंसाला मेजर आर्क म्हणजेच विशाल कंस असे म्हणतात. So arc APB is a minor arc which lies in the interior part and arc AQB is the major arc which is lying in the exterior part of a central angle. Now next topic, see a measure of an arc. Now we know that we have studied three types of arc. First is a minor arc, second is a major arc, and third is a semicircular arc. So first, how to find the measure of minor arc? See, measure of minor arc is equal to measure of its corresponding central angle. As shown in figure, angle AOB is a central angle with measure theta. Arc APB is the corresponding arc of the central angle AOB. So measure of central angle is theta. So measure of corresponding minor arc APB is also theta. In the figure, measure of central angle AOB is theta. So measure of minor arc APB is also theta. Now second type, measure of major arc. Now see here, we know that measure of complete circle is 360 degree, and if we know the measure of minor arc, then we can find the measure of major arc. So measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. So 360 degree minus measure of minor arc APB. So 360 degree minus theta. Next, measure of a semicircular arc. Consider the semicircular arc. Secant passes through the center of the circle. Circle divided into two parts. Each part is called a semicircular arc. And measure of semicircular arc is fixed, and it is equal to 180 degree. So measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. So measure of arc APB, measure of arc APB, and measure of arc this AQB, both equal to 180 degree. And measure of complete circle is 360 degree. So measure of arcs. Now we have to study the congruence of arcs. We know that when two coplanar figures coincide with each other, then they are called congruence figure. We know that in angle, when two angles of equal measure, then that two angles are called congruent angles. Like this, are two arcs of the same measure congruent? दोन सारख्या मापाचे कंस एकरूप असतील का? तर त्यासाठी आपण या ठिकाणी ही एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी पाहणार आहोत. कन्सिडर द फॉलोइंग ऍक्टिव्हिटी. Consider the two concentric circles with center C. See, angle DCE is equal to 70 degree and angle ACB is also 70 degree. Similarly here, angle GCF 70 degree, angle ICJ is 40 degree. Now see here, angle DCE is equal to angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. It means that central angle 70 degree, so corresponding minor arcs are also of measure 70 degree. So do you notice that the measure of arcs AB and D are the same? So do they coincide with each other? No, definitely no. So notice that equality of measures of two arcs is not enough to make the two arcs congruent. So there is some additional condition to make them congruent, and that additional condition is radius are also equal of both arcs, then that two arcs are also congruent. See here, arc D and arc GF, both arcs are congruent because their radii are also congruent. So definition is, two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. दोन कंस एकरूप असतील किंवा तर त्यांची मापे समान असतील आणि त्यांच्या त्रिज्या देखील समान असतील तेव्हाच ते दोन कंस एकरूप असतील. तर ही झाली एकरूप कंसांची व्याख्या. नाउ कन्सिडर द लास्ट टॉपिक, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सम ऑफ मेजर्स ऑफ आर्क्स. दोन कंसांच्या मापांच्या बेरजेचा गुणधर्म. नाउ कन्सिडर द concyclic points A, B, C, D, E. Now see here, due to the concyclic points A, B, C, D, E, with these points there are so many arcs formed. Out of these arcs, consider two arcs, arc A, B, C and arc CDE. There is a one and only one common point C between arc ABC and arc CDE. So we can take addition of these two arcs. So measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc CDE is equal to measure of arc AC. See from figure, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc CDE, then we get measure of arc ACE. But consider another two arcs, arc ABC and arc BCE. Where is arc ABC? See, ABC and arc BCE. They have so many points in common. So we cannot take addition of these two arcs. Measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc BC is not equal to measure of arc AB. So if two arcs are of the same circle and there are so many points in common, then we cannot take addition of that two arcs. So we can take addition of two arcs of the same circle if they have one and only one point in common. So thank you विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. या ठिकाणी ही एक रिव्हिजन होती, उजळणी होती. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करायला विसरू नका आणि सर्वात अगोदर आपल्याला व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉन दाबा. धन्यवाद.